wellness kasi very wellness junkie din talaga ako. I like to drink supplements. I value my supplements. And I have so many friends who suffer kasi from hormonal imbalance in people. So parang sabi ko, bakit parang wala pang gumagawa masyado ng para sa PCOS management and for hormonal imbalance? So it really started with hormonal imbalance. And then, very nocturnal din ako. So, mahirap ako matulog. So, I said I wanted to come out with something na has everything that I take, but it's easier kasi they can just drink it. Hindi yung pa-isa-isang supplements, parang gano'n. So, it started from there. Tapos, bumunga na lang siya ng bumunga ng mas marami pang wellness products. But it really started out with those two products that I said, I think ito yung kailangan ngayon. And true enough, kasi ang dami na ngayong tao na marami na natulungan yung hormonal imbalance na banana melon namin and our other flavors as well.
I'd like to congratulate you ang bilis ng growth since our launch with Julia.
Yes, August, yes.
And na-imagine ko ba na ganito meteoric yung
Hindi talaga. I mean, syempre I believe in my brand and I believe in my product, but I didn't wanna be overconfident that it's gonna reach na ganito na siya kaagad in 8 months. Pero alam ko kasi marami pa kaming kailangan i-improve, marami pa kaming ilalabas, marami pa akong gustong patunayan. Bilang bida-bida ako, kailangan marami akong papatunayan. So nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa wellness.
As for Julia, syempre your reaction lang seeing your sister grow as a businesswoman.
Well, it's been really joyous and really, I mean, her success, I feel like, is everybody's success in the family. That's just our dynamic. We root for each other, we support each other, we motivate and encourage each other. So just to see her in the position that she is in career and in life and in love, diba? I mean, it's something that we all celebrate as a family, as a unit.
Yes.
What are your favorite products?
So, you know, I've always loved the stress relief matcha flavor, matcha milk. But with the 2 flavors released last year of the hormonal imbalance, the honey iced tea is really my favorite. But I am looking forward sa mga kape niya.
Yes, pinatry ko kasi sa kanya muna.
Yeah.
Anong difference yung na-feel mo after taking it?
Well, iba kasi na ngayon yung tina-target ngayon ng coffee eh. It's for your weight management, energy booster.
Yes.
So it's a very different, ano na eh, yung
Iba na yung ano niya,
ingredients niya eh. Iba na yung ingredients niya. Iba na rin yung nagiging purpose niya sa body.
Yeah.
And now this is something that's also available to men, di ba? So ngayon it's something that I can have mornings na having parehas kami ni Jen na
Yes.
mayroong na kape or say it's the mixed berries. I mean, it's really with the new products, it's something that you can experience with absolutely everyone now.
Yes.
Any business lesson you learned from that?
Sobrang dami. Ang dami talaga. And, you know, with the Juju Club and then seeing how she was able to do this for her brand, it really is motivating, you know, given na there will be challenges and that not every day is going to be flowery and perfect. But the example that she's setting for us, it's parang you just can't give up right now, diba? Parang it's doable, it's possible, and she's been such an inspiration to all of us.
Will there be a Juju and Wellness Whispers collab?
Oh, I've always told her that. Because I wanted to create something that she talaga, yung gusto niyang gawin.
The variant.
Meron pa siyang variant na gustong gawin. And that's something that,
She's been telling me
I've been
about
telling
that,
her.
yeah.
So that's something na sana we can work on this year.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Danny, what's it like working with your husband? How do you divide the work?
What's the best? Siya kasi yung he balances me out. So he balances my crazy. So when I'm panicking, when I'm having anxiety and I'm super stressed, siya yung taga-salba, ganon.
Yeah.
Tapos he's my back-end guy. So he knows everything na may strengths kami. Yung strengths ko, weakness niya. Yung weakness ko, strength niya. So it works. Kailangan ko siya sa weakness side kasi yun yung operations ko, yun yung finances, siya yun eh. Taga-benta lang talaga ako dito.
There's different product lines about empowering you.
Yes.
There's a lot of women deal with substance problem because of pimples. So what's your message to them? You have a beauty line, you have a product. So what's your message to you guys with this woman who's dealing with problem with substance?
Oh, well, alam mo ba, for me kasi ang confidence, it starts with you talaga. Nobody can tell you na you have to be confident, you have to be ganyan. It really starts with you. So whatever you feel is like, what's causing that problem? Ano ba yung nagko-cause ng insecurity mo kung bakit hindi ka confident? Start from there. And then, also, dapat gusto mo din, you also wanna change it. Iba naman kasi yung sasabihin mo lang tapos hindi mo gagawa. Practice what you preach, ika nga, diba? So, with this one, not really educating, but what we want people to know that if you're not confident with whatever that's going on with you, we can help. Parang, nandito lang kami to help. We're not really claiming na kaya namin ayusin, may kinocure kami or whatever. Ang whole point ng Wellness Whispers is we're here to help you or guide you to a better path or to a more confident version of yourself. Parang ganun lang. Yung intensive din yung R&D process namin. Bago pa makarating sa akin yung mga samples, matagal yan inaaral. Kasi, isipan nyo guys, ang supplements na tinitake ng tao may hormonal imbalance. Mga 6 supplements yan. So, nilagay namin yun sa isang drink. So, kinailangan ni R&D kung paano isa-space out yung dosages niya para mapasok siya sa isang drink. So, it really took a while. But then, I'm glad that we were able to come up with something na it works for everyone talaga.
Is it locally?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you for including supplement for men. What good idea was it?
Oh, for the men?
Yeah.
Well, first and foremost, nagpo-protesta na yung mga lalaki sa mga live namin na bakit hindi namin pwede inumin yung hormonal
Eh, ang
imbalance?
sarap pa kasi.
Yes, so sabi nila parang dapat kami din meron. So syempre yung nating iwanan ang kalalakihan. So ginawan din namin sila ng product. So we asked kung ano ba yung gusto nila. Kung ano bang klaseng pang men. Hindi naman din pwede na maglalabas ka lang ng for men. So yun ang gusto nila for stamina, libido, yung mga ganyan, for working out, energy. So yun yung nilabas namin for them. But this is not only for men. Pwede siya for men and women. So pati yung mga couples that are trying, pwede yan sa kanila.
So, will there be a male endorser in
Yes!
the future?
OMG, abangan nyo kung sino yung male endorser namin.
Gerald?
Secret! Secret!
Danny, Julia, it was
Secret.
touching earlier to see na you celebrate each other's successes. What do you think is the secret behind that? Yung no sibling rivalry?
Uy, para lumaki na kami na wala kami ganyan.
Yeah.
Maganda, I think yung pagpapalaki sa amin ng mom ko is just to have each other's back. I mean, some people they think actually hindi totoo yung relationship namin sa sobrang too good to be true. Pero totoo, we're best friends. My siblings are my best friends. They know everything in my life, even before everything is done. So parang ako, I cannot imagine life without this. I can't imagine life without them. Diba? So parang, I think that's why this works. Is because we support each other. Whatever career field we choose to take.
Yeah. Parang si mommy then really wasn't the type when we were growing up that she would compare us to each other. There was never like pitting or like her kids to each other. There was just no energy like that. So when you're a kid and nobody plants that in your head, it just sticks with you.
Yeah.
And you grow up with that kind of thinking and she was really, really specific about, growing up like having each other's back. Yeah.
Thank you. Danny emphasized kanina Q1 plans pa lang to. So are we going to expect more?
Oh yes, we have already plans for the whole year. Meron na kami until the end of 2025. Meron na talaga. But ito lang yung first products na ilalabas namin for Q1. Q2 will be also extra exciting. We're just waiting for FDA certification to come back. And we're gonna announce that very soon. Iba naman to, we're venturing into something else, outside drinks. So I'm very excited. Panibago namang launch yun.
Are you still focusing on online selling pa rin? Or are you going to...
I really am
enter?
for me, I'm a firm believer sa live selling, online selling. Iba yung pili ko iba kasi yung owner, yung CEO to consumer relationship pag nagla-live selling kayo. You get to communicate with them, talk to them. Like what I say, yung R&D namin nanggagaling yan sa mga consumer namin kung ano yung gusto nilang lumabas just because lagi ko silang nakakausap online. So, sa lahat talaga ng magsisimula ng business, you venture into online selling. Iba na rin talagang platform to. This is a way to grow your business faster, educate the people more about your product, for them to learn more about your product. Lalo na ngayon, everybody is nasa cellphone. Diba? So, maximize social media if you're a business owner.
Ito, could be early to say, pero i-re-review mo ba si Julia?
Oo naman! Alam niyo na yun. Oo naman,
Isang
parang
taon pa
feeling ko
lang.
permanent na siya. Siya na yon. Parang mahirap nang mag-iba kasi nagsimula ako na sila yung nandyan nakasupport. Hindi na din ako makaisip din ng iba.
But maybe I think but in a sense, because I also really am excited for Dani to be growing her line of products, and then also it really is like I really am genuinely proud when when I hear the news that she'll have faces for these specific
Yes.
products, because it really is just it's a reflection of like just how much the company is growing. But I think in a sense of like the partnership in Sabrania, I think that's why she's also been really encouraging me to create a specific customized drink that with ingredients that I believe
Yes,
in.
oo.
Para lang, I think to her it's really a lifetime kind of partnership, without just don't be pressured though. You don't
No,
have
I'm not. Parang na siya, staple na. I'm just adding to the roster of the people that's going to be representing the brand.
Also, I remembered nga, parang may sinadjust kang ingredient, tapos in-include niya talaga doon.
Yes, sa kanila ako, pati kay Claudia actually.
Claudia,
Dalawa silang
yeah.
supplement junkie din talaga. So sa kanila ako humihingi ng mga, guys, ano ngayon? Ano bang magandang supplement ngayon? Ganyan.
Yeah,
sa
most
kanila.
especially Chloe. She
Claudia.
really knows her ingredients and
True.
what works